I just got some brand new Bruno Marks. Love these. Let's put them on and I'll give you my first impressions. Isn't that cool? All right, so first impressions. Get all this packaging out. I've had a bunch of pairs of Bruno Mark, so I know exactly what I'm looking for. First of all, that collar right there is way above average soft. That is Daphne, by the way. She loves a good new pair of shoes. This back of the collar is off the chart soft. I wish I could show it to you, but it is spongy. It is way, way softer than than most other shoes that you're gonna find. All right, the stitching, lots of stitching on this one between the grayish color and then this beige and then this darker black. I mean, it's just so nice. I love the dark insole or the sole. It's so good. All right, so stitching looks good. Tons of stitching. Really cool shoe. Interior, that right there, there's a little extra cushion that looks really soft. Yeah, that's a really soft shoe. In fact, I have a lot of Bruno Marks, and that is probably one of the softer that I've ever owned. Okay, so let me put them on. I'll walk around a little bit, and we'll give you an honest first impression. Let me take this little sticker off. I will tell you this, that sole is, it's got enough grip on it. I would say this is a pretty lightweight shoe, and yet the sole is kind of medium density, so I think it's gonna hold up plenty good. All right, let me throw this on, throw both of them on, and take it for a walk. I'd probably want to wear some no-shows, but these are pretty low. I wear a 12. I've got a good thumb's length there. So I'd say they're true to fit, true to size. Really impressed with the insole. It feels nice. All right, let me walk around a little bit and I'll come back. Again, this is my first impressions. Let's flip this around this way. And I'll be right back. Oh yeah. Really good. These are really soft. And they're malleable on the sides and the top. It just feels like your foot just moves with the shoe. Grip is good. Yeah, I like these. And I like the fact that they are slightly off-white. I already have 2 or 3 different white pairs of shoes. These are slightly off-white, so it just gives you another color to kind of mix and match with. I like them. All right, so again, this is from Bruno Mark. I have bought a bunch of Bruno Marks, and I've partnered with Bruno Marks, oh gosh, on dozens and dozens of shoes over the years. So I can tell you that these are right out of the box some of my very favorites, that they're very versatile, and I love the fact that they are off-white. I like that a lot, and they're soft. They really are quite comfy. So anyway, this was sent to me by Bruno Mark for a review. This is my honest review, and I think you'll like them. All right.